In the Indian Constitution, the provisions related to the services under the Union and the states are covered primarily under Part 14, Articles 308 to 323. These articles lay down the rules for the structure, conduct, and regulation of the civil services at both the Union and state levels. Article 308 defines that the provisions of Part 14 apply to persons in the services of the Union and the states, excluding members of the armed forces. Article 309 provides the power to make rules for the recruitment and conditions of service of persons serving the Union or a state. Parliament or the legislature of a state may regulate recruitment and service conditions through laws. Until such laws are enacted, the President or Governor can make rules regarding these services. Article 310 establishes the doctrine of pleasure of the President or Governor, meaning that civil servants hold their positions during the pleasure of the President or the Governor. This means they can be removed at any time, subject to certain constitutional safeguards. Article 311 provides protection to civil servants against arbitrary dismissal, removal, or reduction in rank. No civil servant can be dismissed or removed by an authority subordinate to the one that appointed them. A reasonable opportunity to be heard must be provided before any major penalties, like dismissal or reduction in rank, are imposed. Article 312 discusses the creation of all India services, such as the IAS, IPS, and IFS, which are common to both the Union and the states. Parliament has the authority to create these services through legislation, and members of these services serve both the Union and state governments. Articles 315 to 323 deal with the Public Service Commissions. Article 315 establishes Public Service Commissions at both the Union and state levels, with the Union Public Service Commission, or UPSC, for the Union and State Public Service Commissions, or SPSC, for each state. Article 316 states that the chairman and members of the PSC are appointed by the President for the UPSC and governors for the SPSC. Article 317 provides provisions for the removal or suspension of a PSC member. Article 320 outlines that the UPSC and SPSC are responsible for conducting examinations and recruitment for various services, as well as advising on matters related to appointments, transfers, and disciplinary actions. The services under the Union and the states are crucial for maintaining the administrative machinery of the government. These provisions ensure the autonomy and accountability of civil servants while offering them protection from arbitrary decisions. Public service commissions are established to ensure transparency and merit-based recruitment into government services.